Journal Record Associate Publisher Ted Struley joins us to discuss other stories making news in business today. Ted, thanks for joining us.
Glad to be here.
Even though some agencies received flat budgets in the next fiscal year, they're still looking at cuts. Why?
Well, the economists we talked to this week told us that the idea of flat budgets is dollar for dollar, but doesn't take into account Oklahoma's 2% inflation rate that we've had for about the last 5 years. So going back to 2009, budgets that appear to be flat have really lost ground along the way, and they're going to have trouble maintaining the same level of service.
Now, one measure passed by lawmakers this year adds a sales tax to vehicle purchases. How's that going to work?
Well, at the moment, vehicle buyers in Oklahoma pay about a 3.25% excise tax on the car, but no sales tax. This will add a 1.25% sales tax to the purchase price. Experts said that will add about $250 to the cost of each car sold.
The Oklahoma Healthcare Authority escaped budget cuts this year, but services could still suffer. What's behind that?
Well, they're expecting a big cut from the federal government of, they think, somewhere around $35 million in order to maintain the same level of services. Their local budget actually went up about 1% to about $1 billion. So this will be another 3.5% cut back out of that if federal funding levels are what they're expecting.
The customers of Tate Publishing Company are unhappy. What's got them so upset?
Well, they've been upset for a long time, but most recently, the father and son combination that ran that company were arrested and charged with embezzlement and a number of other crimes. They thought that as soon as that happened, there would be a calling for a class action lawsuit to help some of the music and book authors that had done business with the company. But experts told us this week they're not really sure that's going to happen. The cost of litigation compared to what they could hope to recover from what's essentially a bankrupt company make it not worth the trouble to pursue.
Now, the Journal Record has named its 2017 Innovators of the Year. Tell us about that.
Right. This is the 20th year that we've had this program, and this year we'll be honoring 20 innovators that have come up with or improved everything from non-toxic travel-sized toilet seat cleaner to groundbreaking eye surgery procedures, and that event will happen in mid-August.
All right. Ted Struley from the Journal Record, thanks for joining us.
My pleasure.